has a sweet and refreshing taste, and jicama soup is also very enjoyable to drink.
Jicama and corn soup tastes light, sweet, and refreshing. The corn adds a natural sweetness, while the jicama gives it a uniquely mild and hydrating flavor, making it a very comforting and delicious homemade soup. Ingredient: jicama, carrot, corn, Sichuan zakai. Peel and cubes carrot. Adding carrots to jicama soup enhances its natural sweetness. Carrots not only improve the soup's texture, but also boost its nutritional value. Peel and cubes jicama. Jicama is a root vegetable with light brown skin and crisp, white flesh. It has a crunchy and juicy texture with a mildly sweet flavor, and it can be eaten both raw and cooked. It's commonly used in Asian and Mexican cuisines, often found in salads, stir-fries, or soups. Jicama is low in calories and rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and maintain healthy skin. Jicama also contains minerals like potassium, which is beneficial for heart health and maintaining fluid balance. Chopped Sichuan zakai and set aside. Corn, remove outer layer and cut into section. Corn adds a natural sweetness and richness to the soup, making it more flavorful. It's packed with dietary fiber and vitamins, significantly boosting the soup's nutritional value. Just put all the prepared ingredients into the pot and let them simmer for 30 minutes. Just season with salt and pepper to your taste after 30 minutes. This soup is incredibly easy to make, and without meat, it's even lighter, sweeter, and more delicious. The dumpling soup I shared earlier was made using this very broth, so simple to prepare, steaming hot, and wonderfully comforting for the stomach. Here are 5 cool facts about jicama that I'd love to share with everyone. Jicama is actually a fake potato. It belongs to the legume family, making it a cousin to peanuts and soybeans, not a true root vegetable. The leaves, stems, and seeds of jicama are poisonous. Only the chunky root is edible whether raw or cooked, so don't munch on the rest. Jicama is incredibly shelf-stable. It can last for 1 to 2 months when stored whole in a cool place, a dream for pantry hoarders. In Mexico, jicama is often cut into sticks and sprinkled with chili powder as a snack, crunchy and addictive. Jicama is about 90% water, even juicier than watermelon. It's perfect for staying hydrated and cool in summer. This soup has a light sweetness with a hint of savory saltiness, creating rich layers of flavor. The refreshing jicama, sweet corn, and mild sweetness of carrots blend together perfectly. The pickled mustard tuber adds a unique salty aroma and a tender crunch, making the soup far from boring. It's warm, comforting, and goes down smoothly, both hydrating and appetizing, perfect for cold days or when you need a light meal. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sour. Jicama for vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.